What is this? In this video, I'd like to show you a new mechanism that I built for camming up this middle platform so that it makes it easy to stow the footboard, and in the cammed up position when the back is in the sofa mode, having a lower seat cushion at a slight angle is more comfortable than flat, and this gives an easy way to do it. So here's what we've got. So on each side of this, there's now one lever on each side that just simply raises it up like that. So you can leave it like that and sit on that, but also gives me an easy way to store the footboard. So the footboard unlatches like that. It comes out like this. Drop the legs down. And slide this in to the storage position under here, and you can just drop that down. And this, if I'm going to use the van to haul stuff around or put the seats back in, this is an easy way to store that board. But also, this, you can leave this up, and having I don't know, this is like a 3-degree or 5-degree slope. It's more comfortable to sit like that. So I'll give you more detail on these cam mechanisms next. Let's take a closer look at the cam mechanism. So this is simply going up and down. It's really simple. Pivot point here and a bearing here. I'll show you that more next. This is the roller bearing cam device on the inside. So it simply rests down in this pocket when the platform is flat, and then lifts it up and rests right there for the slanted up sofa position. To build up the cam mechanism, we've got the bearing. This is, I had a bunch of these bearings from, these are common bearings used in grinders, 35mm OD here. So I made up a little bushing for the inside, made out of wood, and I secure it with this screw, washer on the back side, and let's see, this one goes like this, so this goes in like this. Tighten that up. So it's tight, but this bearing is spinning freely. And then I mount this up. Drops into this here with a bolt and a washer on this side. I did put a metal sleeve through this hole and a big fender washer on this side. And I've got a threaded insert here. And just tighten it up. Well, I hope you found that detail interesting. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.